The vertical algorithm strategy. This is dividing multi-digit numbers by either single digits or multi-digit numbers as well. When doing the steps to dividing using the vertical algorithm strategies, it will help to remember this order of the family. DMSBR. D for dad means to divide first. M, mom, means to multiply second. S, sister, means to subtract third. B, brother, means to bring down. That's the fourth step. And the last step is R, Rover, the dog, which either you're going to repeat the steps, or if you're done, you will find the remainder if there is one. So using the family order, dad, mom, sister, brother, Rover, to follow the order of dividing, long division, we will divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, and either repeat or make a remainder. So let's try this strategy. Here we have 2,341 divided by 5. So we're going to first divide. We're going to divide 5 into 2, and it cannot go in because it's less than 5. So we look at 2 and 3, which is 23. 5 can divide into 23 about 4 times. 5 times 4 gets us about 20. So since we went to 23, we'll put our 4 above the 3 in 23. And 4 times 5, so now we're going to multiply. 4 times 5 is 20. So once we've done that, now we're going to do the sister subtract, and we have 3. Now we have some more digits left in the division, in the dividend. So now we're going to be brother bring down the 4 and look to see if this is a remainder. No, because we still have more digits, so it's not a remainder. So now we're going to repeat. D, dad, means to divide. So we're going to divide 5 into 34. How many times does 5 go into 34 without going over? Well, that's 6 times. And then 6 times 5 is 30. So we're going to multiply, mom multiply, 6 times 5 is 30. And now we're going to sister subtract, which is 4. And then we're going to be brother bring down, and there is another number to bring down, so we'll bring down the 1. And notice that I've got my numbers lined up in the correct columns. That's very important to do. And now we're going to Rover the dog repeat, because it's not time for a remainder yet. So we're back to dad divide. 5 divides into 41 about 8 times 8. 5 times 8 makes about 40, which is close to 41. So we'll put the 8 up here. So 8 times 5, mom multiply. 8 times 5 is 40. Now we're going to sister subtract, and we have 1. Now there are no more numbers to bring down, so brother bring down is no longer needed. And now we're at, since we didn't have a brother bring down, so we're not going to repeat. So now we're at Rover remainder. So our remainder here is 1. And the remainder is indicated by the capital R for remainder. And there you have it. Now let's try one more using the family order. Does 7 divide into 3? No. So we're doing dad divide. So 7 might go into 34. It does, but not quite exactly. So 7 times what will get us close to 34 without going over? That would probably be 4. So now we're at mom multiply. 4 times 7 is 28. And now we're going to sister subtract. This becomes a 14 and this becomes a 2. Now subtract. 14 minus 8 is 6. 7 does not divide into 6, so we need to bring down, brother bring down the 0. And now we're going to repeat. Rover repeat. 7 divides, dad divides, 7 divides into 60 about 8 times. So 8 times 7 is 56. Sister subtract. This becomes a 10 and this becomes a 5. 10 minus 6 is 4. Now brother bring down. Yes, there's another number to bring down, so we'll bring down the 8. And now we're going to repeat. 7 goes into 48 about 6 times. So 6. Now we're at mom multiply. 6 times 7 is 42. Sister subtract. And we get that remainder 6. Now there are no other numbers to bring down, so brother's done and Rover repeat is done, but now we're at Rover remainder. So our answer is 486 remainder 6. And that is how you divide the vertical algorithm strategy using single digit numbers.